Hello dear students, today I am going to discuss the whole spectrum of IR frequencies. So you are having this screen. On the screen, so there is a infrared spectrum is given for various bands, okay, and the values of respected bands are given. You know that IR spectroscopy deals with the study of absorption of infrared particularly, and that will leads to the changes in the dipole moment, and suddenly, so after that you will see the absorption band is appeared in the spectrum. So according to this IR spectroscopy, you can find out the type of functionality present in our organic molecules. So this IR is comprises with the frequencies of 400 per centimeter to 4000 per centimeter. Now look at this left side, and from to the left to the right, so there will be a frequency from higher toward the lower. Okay, so we will start from your fingerprint region, that is from your right side of the spectrum, that is 500 to 1000 per centimeter is the region that is called the fingerprint region. And generally it is not useful, but so there are some substitutive systems are there, for example aromatic systems, in which they are very useful to identify the fingerprint. Okay, so type of substitution on aromatic ring can be useful with the help of this fingerprint. Next region is in 1650 to 1800 per centimeter is for the carbonyl system. After that we have second one, third one is a 2100 to 2260 per centimeter, that is for triple bond. After that we have below 3000 per centimeter is in for sp3 hybrid-CH. just above 3000 per centimeter is for the sp2CH or olefinic CH, and at 3300 per centimeter, so there will be a stretching frequency of sp hybrid-CH. okay, and based on that we can easily identify what type of your functionality is present. Later on we have a broad peak is appeared in the region of 3400 or 3200 to 3600. So this peak is due to the oxygen containing system, that is OH or NH. So why these peaks are observed at higher frequency? Why? Because they have the highest dipole moment. So in this way, so this spectrum is comprises with your all this region. So carbon-carbon single bonds are appeared below or up to 1300. okay, carbon-carbon double bonds are appeared up to the 1400 to 1600, and then later on your carbon-carbon triple bonds are appeared in the region of 2100 to 2300. so this is a system for carbon-carbon bond. And CH, we have sp3CH just below 3000, sp2CH just above 3000, and SpCH is exactly at 3300. So likewise you can easily distinguish the type of your group which are present in your molecule. So IR is the best technique to elucidate the kind of functionality present in the organic molecules, and the spectrum which is in a two-dimensional graph which is recorded the percentage transmittance versus what the wave number, okay, in per centimeter. So this is all about the IR spectrum, and the related frequencies are given with respect to their bands. okay, so likewise, so this is whole spectrum which explain the different functional groups in all ranges. okay, fine. So if you like this video, so please subscribe. Thank you.